Welcome to the YouTube channel. This video will be an unboxing as well as the installation guide for the Parani M10 Boom Motorcycle Intercom by SENA. I got this from Amazon for around 6,300 rupees on a sale. You can easily get it for 6,900, but please wait for the sale. Let's get to the chase. This is how the box looks like. And let's look at some of the features. This is a 4-way intercom, meaning you can connect it with 4 other devices. There could be a total of 5 devices connecting together. Intercom supports up to 1 kilometer of the range. There is this jog dial which would help you change the songs, turn up the volume. There's an LCD display. This supports voice command. This has some noise cancellation feature as well. I don't think it works very well, but this is like company claims. This is also firmware upgradable. Now this looks smaller than I expected. This is really small, to be honest. This is really small, looks rugged, and the quality seems pretty high. The reason why I got this is because of the jog dial. Yeah, this is the one button. This would be very helpful while riding to change the songs, to pick up the calls, to turn up or turn down the volume. There is this one more button. Now let's look at some of the accessories does it come with. All the accessory is packed in one polythene, which is good. Speaker and the mic assembly itself looks very high quality. Type-C cable is of very high quality as well, I have to say, and it is pretty long too. Comes with the 2 options to help you fasten the intercom. There's this clipper and the sticker thing. 2 cushion for your mic, 2 velcro stickers. Now it didn't come with a charge, so I have to charge it separately. Remove the cushion of your helmet, and inside the empty helmet you will have these cavities already created by the empty. Shout out for them. This is really helpful for the users who want to attach the intercom on their device. This is very helpful, to be honest. Now the first one will go here like that. Make sure you clean the surface before you stick the velcro sticker. First try to place the velcro sticker, see if it is covering all the corners. Let's go for the second here. Again, clean the surface before you stick the velcro sticker. And there you go. You have successfully sticked both the velcro stickers onto the helmet. Let's place the mic. Let's place the speaker with the mic first. This is how it looks. Now let's talk about some of the controls of the Parani. You can turn it on by pushing the jog dial and the button above. Now it will automatically go into the pairing mode. You can just place your phone, turn the Bluetooth on, and you will be able to see the Parani intercom there. You can adjust the volume by using the jog dial. Also, this jog dial can be used to change the songs, and so you can turn it off just by pushing the jog tire as the button above. It does says goodbye. Now make sure there are no undulations when you place it on your helmet. Try different places. The curves can be different for different helmet, so I would recommend going into the try to place your intercom on a different places. This is how this works best for me because there were no modulations. Now let's talk about the wire management. I have sticked it. I don't want it to be clumsy, don't want it to go anywhere other than expected. I don't want it to be stretched, so this is why I have done it. Sticked it. This is how the final looks. And thank you for watching the video. If you have any question, feel free to reach out in comment section. Thank you.